Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how you can fix Telegram app can't play videos. So for that you want to go ahead and simply open up your settings application in your mobile device. Tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, scroll below, then tap on Telegram. Once you have tapped onto it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up the storage used by the app and will also help you to clear the cache. So once you have done that, you want to make sure you tap on reinstall the app. So once done, head back to your home screen and then try playing your videos. If you're still having problems, you want to go ahead and simply open up your app store, and then inside here you want to go ahead and search for Telegram in the search bar. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap on update. If you see update instead of open, simply tap onto it and make sure your Telegram is updated. Once updated, head back to your home screen, and if you're still having some issues, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Poor connection often prevent video from buffering or loading properly, so you can go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. So after all that, if you're still having problems, you want to go ahead and long press on Telegram, tap on remove app, delete app, then tap on delete. Once you have deleted Telegram from your device, you want to make sure you reinstall the application. After you reinstall it, log back in and then test the video. Just make sure your chats are backed up if necessary. And that's it guys, your Telegram video should be playing smoothly now. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.